In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find deleted friends here on Snapchat and add them back fast if you'd like. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first method is pretty simple, but if you remember their username, this is going to be the fastest way. Open up Snapchat, tap the Add Friends button all the way up at the top right, and you could just simply search for their username, and when their profile appears, for example, we'll just pretend this guy is the person that I'm talking about, you'd simply go ahead and hit add, and they'll be re-added once they accept if needed. The second method is in this exact same section. When you're in the Add Friends section, you could scroll through the suggested list right here, which is this Find Friends tab. Sometimes Snapchat's going to show people that you had previously removed. Just find them, tap add. And the third method is if you did remove them and they didn't remove you, you could just go to this Add Friends section and then tap the three dots all the way up at the very top, and you're going to see a section in here that says Friend Request I've Ignored. Simply go ahead and open that up and you're going to see all these guys right here. This only works if you remove them and they did not remove you. If both of you guys removed each other, you will need to search for the usernames manually, but that is it. That is how you could find deleted friends on Snapchat and add them back. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.